the ratio between visitors and the vendors is probably 6 or 10 to 1. They are some of the largest companies with some of the largest number of manufacturing and distributing facilities that I've ever seen. And the nice thing about it is that you have time to have a one-on-one conference with these people individually, and there are no other real environments or conferences that I've been to that really get you so close in touch with this type of potential client.
This is just a conduit to moving forward. It's a networking event. You go out and you talk to people, people respond. They want to hear your message. And moving forward, they want to bring that message to the people in their organization. And that's what this has brought us. So, that's just one example. I can talk about AT&T, which, as a follow-up from the event in San Antonio. We had 3 visits, and now we're working hand in hand with them in terms of opportunities in some of their facilities. So that's what this event brings. It's face-to-face time with customers.